In this video for our 2-week ukulele practice and technique challenge, this is review day. We're going to go over the 6 previous videos that we did, but we're going to put them all together in one video, and this is going to give you a fantastic warm-up that you can do every day on your uke. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and this is our challenge, and I'm so happy that you are here doing this. Great job on the commitment to these challenges. And if you're here right now, that means you've been going through the previous videos. And that's a great accomplishment because a lot of people, let's start a challenge. Maybe they do it for a day or two and then whatever. Life happens, things happen, and they fall off. So great job being here. This is going to be a great one because of the review aspect. We're going to take all 6 of the previous ones we did and put them all together in one video, back to back to back. And again, this will be a great thing that you can use as a warm-up. Now, this is a totally free challenge. I got it. I want to help you. I want you to become that great ukulele player. I want you to build that technique and that strength, that hand-eye coordination, everything that we're given here. Now, if you need the tab, the backing tracks, that's only for the VIPs. So make sure you become a VIP. We'll put a link to that below. Besides that, you also get lifetime access to not only the videos, but the course over at ukelikethepros.com. You get a chance to win a Ko ukulele as well. Fantastic. And also, you're going to get some access to some private Zoom calls that I'm doing only with the VIP. So make sure you do that. That's what I would do. I always upgrade to the VIP, whatever, but make sure you do that. You're going to get a lot of additional content with that. If you want to just do these videos, again, no problem. They're totally free. I'm glad you're here. But if you want to have a chance to win that Kala ukulele that we're giving away, remember the Ko is for the VIPs, but we're doing a free Kala giveaway as well. If you want to do that, to enter, all you got to do is subscribe right here, turn on that bell notification, show Kala a little love, subscribe to their YouTube channel as well as Ko just because they're 2 great ukulele companies that are giving you new ukuleles. Do that. And then you got to make sure to go over, put a link below, sign up for this challenge. We'll put a link below over at ukelikethepros.com. And then you got to post, that's right, you got to post at least one video of your playing these challenges over at the Ukulele Pros forum. That's a free forum that you can sign up for. The more you post, the more chances you have to win. So if you just do one video, you're already entered. But if you do all the videos, you're going to have that much more of an opportunity to win that Kala ukulele. I'm excited. Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you feeling it? I don't know. Leave a comment below. Let me show you. We're going to break down each one of these exercises real quick, and then we're going to do it with the backing track. And then I'll show you what the next one is and show you with backing track. This is not a tutorial, though, because we already have those videos. This is going to be a great play-along that you can use to go through all these videos. We're going to start with the very beginning. And I went back, by the way, to the beginning with my Ko Koa Wood tenor ukulele. I do have an unwound low G on this one. And if you need anything for ukulele or a new ukulele, check out the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Remember, we started off with this exercise. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we did that, and we went up to the 3rd fret. Then we're going to hear 4 clicks. You're going to go back to 1, 3. Again, you're going to slide up until you get to the 3rd fret. And then the last one is 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. All right, let's do it. Let's bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. One, two, three, 4. That was the first one. How did you do? The next one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take it all the way up. Then we're going to slide up, take it down. 3rd fret, go up. 4th fret, come down, and we're going to stop right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one here is going to be the same thing, except we're going to use fingers 1, 3, 2, 4, but we'll go up, down, and stop when we get to the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you doing? Are you keeping up? Come on, we're going to keep going now. The next one is the same thing again, except it's going to be fingers 1, 4, 2, 3. Again, you go up, down, and stop when you get to the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice in my picking, I've been using either my thumb or alternating the index and middle finger. Do whatever is comfortable or alternate like I am doing. All right, this next one is that spider technique. All right, here we go. We're going to go to the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. How cool does that one sound? All right, and the last one here is going to be the horizontal one going. Remember, we're going to go all the way up to the 11th fret and then come back down, and we're going to do all 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and. Ready, and. Two, 3, 4. That right there is a fantastic warm-up that you could do every day when you pick up your uke. And you're going to be warmed up. Your left, your right hand are going to be in really great shape to start playing whatever it is you like to play. Song, soloing, chord, melody. You might have noticed also on that last one, I alternated between my fingers and my thumb. Do whatever is comfortable for you. How did you do? Leave that comment below. Really great And don't forget, if you need those backing tracks or want the back tracks, the downloadable PDFs, those are all available to the VIPs. You can click that link below to become a VIP and get access to all that material. All right, great job. And this was the review now, so this is a great warm-up. If you like what we're doing and you even want to expand further, we can go further. Check out the advanced technique workshop that I'm going to be hosting. We'll put a link of that below so you can go sign up for that. We're not done, though. This challenge is not over. We are just halfway through, and I can't wait to see how we do on the next part of it. So come on, keep going, be strong. You can do it, and I'll see you in the next video.